Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to paint this table that we found on the street with only a tube of paint. I didn't record the part where we sanded it down, but we did leave some of those brown parts on purpose, and I will show you soon how I created this effect. I used a tube of paint, a foam brush, and an acrylic glaze. This is just to thin out the paint. I added a little bit of paint on the foam brush and then a little bit of the acrylic glaze, and then I just tapped it onto the paint and then softly evened it out. I added a little bit of water as well. To protect the paint, I'm using a water-based polycrylic. This is to protect the paint, and I got it as a clear semi-gloss, and it says it's ultra fast drying. So for me it took about 10 to 15 minutes or so. Please be advised to read the instructions on how long they're asking you to reapply this product. Here I'm showing you a close-up version of how I apply this product, and I'm applying it from top to bottom, and it's actually where the wood grain goes. So if it's going from side to side, then you would paint it from side to side. And here's the finished result. Thank you guys for being here. I'm really amazed on how this table turned out to be. Please subscribe to my channel for more and like this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.